Albert Einstein. He was born in 1879 and died in 1955. He was a German-born theoretical physicist, widely considered one of the most influential scientists in history. He is best known for developing the theory of relativity, which revolutionized the understanding of space, time, and gravity. His famous equation E is equal to mc square expresses the equivalence of mass and energy, which has had profound implication in both theoretical physics and practical applications such as nuclear energy. Special theory of relativity, 1905. This theory introduced the idea that the laws of physics are the same for all observers in uniform motion relative to one another, and it led to the revolutionary realization that the speed of light is constant in all inertial frames of reference. Special relativity also introduced time dilation and length contraction. General theory of relativity in 1915. This extended special relativity to include acceleration and gravitation. The theory posits the gravity is not force transmitted through space as Newton had described, but rather the result of massive objects warping the fabric of space-time around them. This theory was confirmed through experiments and observation, including the bending of light around massive objects. Gravitational lensing. Photoelectric effect in 1905. In his work of the photoelectric effect, Einstein proposed that light has both wave-like and particle-like properties, introducing the concept of photon-light quanta. This work earned him the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1921, and it was crucial in the development of quantum theory. Brownian motion. Einstein also made significant contribution to the understanding of random motion of particles suspended in a fluid, providing empirical evidence for the existence of atoms and molecules. Unified field theory. In his later years, Einstein sought to develop a unified theory that would explain all the forces of nature within a single framework. Though he did not succeed, his pursuit of this idea influenced later developments in theoretical physics, including string theory. Legacy. Einstein's theories have had a profound impact on the development of modern physics, cosmology, and technology. He was awarded the Nobel Prize in Physics for his explanation of the photoelectric effect, but his contribution to the development of quantum mechanics and general relativity are often considered his most groundbreaking. In addition to his scientific work, Einstein was a passionate advocate for peace, democracy, and social justice. He was a vocal critic of nationalism, militarism, and the rise and he supported the establishment of the State of Israel in 1948, though he advocated for peace and cooperation in the region. Einstein passed away in 1955, but his ideas continue to shape scientific research and our understanding of the universe.